makwentuhan nila si Marie, sa loob ng bahay naman, nagsisimula na silang hanapin ng girls.
Wala sila Pumia tsaka si Yam Yam. Wala talaga sila. Kuya Yam, Kuya Pumia.
Baka nasa loob.
Wala talaga, promise. Saan kaya napunta yung dalawa? Wala pa silang dalawa.
Samantala ang mga hinahanap nila, nagsisimula ng mag-isip ng paraan paano mahahanap ang mga magulang ni Marie.
Siguro the better way
Is
to find
find in social media.
in social media.
Yeah.
I've already tried it, but yes, I've
It's
already
not working.
Really?
because there's a lot of the same name. I already posted it once when I graduated in college. Then I wrote parang story of my life.
Yun.
And
Walang tumulong sa'yo na makita yun.
wala pa. Parang kayo pa lang.
Gusto mo yung vlogger?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Is it okay?
I don't know if effective. We posting and vlog to her.
Yeah.
And then if the followers find for her,
Yeah, or
find-
share.
share.
Yeah, share.
And then may tatayong biological, the best siguro na i-sure, i-paper. Blood
Pregnancy
test.
test. DNA.
DNA. To sure,
To prove.
To prove.
Oo.
Yeah, I understand.
Baka nandyan lang, camouflage.
Camouflage.
Ay, oh my God, Pumia. Puti kasi yun.
Ay, sorry.
So yeah.
Kuya Yam Yam.
Sa loob ng bahay, si Joaquin sinusubukang i-distract ang mga naghahanap na girls.
Baka may
Hindi
secret
mabukol.
passageway doon. Like yung tiles
Oo, ay,
open,
sige, tignan natin.
ganon. Tapos
Lang.
may secret entrance.
Ay, oh my God, oo, meron.
Yum
Oh my
yum.
God, meron. There is...
Galing niya.
Habang sa classroom, may inabot si Marie kina Yamyam at Fumia.
I have a document here that will surely help us.
Document for?
The document between my mom.
Oh,
Your mom.
okay. Okay.
So you can mention those names if ever.
Bukod dito, may isa pang ibinigay si Marie sa kanila.
Kuya gave me gadget wherein I can call you when I need you. Like if I need to wee-wee, I need to eat or whatever I need. So it will vibrate, then siguro pupunta ata kayo dito pag mag-vibrate yan.
Okay, charot.
Charot.
Loading ka pa. Sige, thank you.
Thank you.
Bago bumalik sa mga kasama, nag-report muna ang dalawa kay Kuya.
Ano pang binigay sa inyo ni Marie?
Cellphone lang at ito, kuya.
When that phone vibrates,
Yes po.
you need to go to Marie. So kung nais ni Marie na magbanyo, diskarte niyo yun kung paano.
Ay. Ipapasok namin, kuya? Walang CR.
Around CR?
Wala.
Ay. Inside house?
The other boys can also help. Pero nasa diskarte niyo na yan.